back again. Yeah, shit is beyond rap, homie. Don't talk back, jabroni. You got no backbone, you whack, blow me. Keep me away from green like I'm colorblind. Fuck around and stab out your mother's eyes with butter knives when she's watching Days of Her Lives. And I don't give a goddamn. You never see it from where I stand. Yes, I fuck with contraband. I wanna play host like Tom Command. Bust a fat ass nut with a cock in my hand. No Medicaid means I'm dropping the grand. On this abortion, throw the kid in the can. Close the lid. Look, it's a garbage pail kid. Smoke another L and roll that shit big like Elephant Dong. Good weed gonna swell up my lungs. And fuck there, I'll sell to your son. Fuck where he gets it from. I'm packing a gun, cause the damage is done. Debauchery is just average to some. So here's your daily fix to come. Drugs, hookers, and scum. 2 dicks and she took it in one. Oh, and she was loving his son. Mickey D's double sarge. Here's your McMuffin, son. Yeah, it's what's for breakfast. You want a step, kid? I'll wreck this. Weak shit with no questions. Don't test the integrity of a fucking legend or my intentions, my precious. Through the death pit with that shit you rapping. Tight jeans all stuck in your rectum. Fuck that shit. Pimp slap the bitch, backhand the hoe, then I jack kid like Michael Jackson's fucking private 747. Step to this check. Never. Fuck that. Too motherfucking hard for y'all to ride out on that beat, cause bitch. Yeah.